What does malware stand for? Answer is malicious software. Which of the following is a strong password example? Answer is PA $W0RD123. What is the purpose of a firewall? Answer is prevent unauthorized access. What type of attack involves tricking users into revealing personal info? Answer is phishing. Which type of malware holds a system hostage until a ransom is paid? Answer is ransomware. What does VPN stand for? Answer is virtual private network. What is the purpose of encryption? Answer is convert data into unreadable form. Which of the following is an example of multi-factor authentication, MFA? Answer is fingerprint and PIN. What does a brute force attack target? Answer is guess passwords. What is a Trojan horse in cybersecurity? Answer is malicious software disguised as legit. What does the S in HTTPS stand for? Answer is secure. What is phishing? Answer is a form of social engineering. Which of the following is a common sign of phishing? Answer is asking for personal details. What does DOS stand for? Answer is distributed denial of service. What is the most common method for delivering malware? Answer is email attachments. What is a zero-day vulnerability? Answer is an unknown software vulnerability. What is the main purpose of antivirus software? Answer is detect and remove malware. Which type of malware tracks your online activities? Answer is spyware. What should you do if you receive a suspicious email? Answer is report and delete. What does social engineering exploit? Answer is human behavior.
Please like, subscribe and share for my next videos.